Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, let's learn about an interesting business idea that women and unemployed people can earn good income at home with little investment. Before going into the topic, if anyone has not subscribed to our channel so far, subscribe now. If we go into the details, one of the fruits that grows seasonally is panasa. It is called jackfruit in English. It is one of the favorite food that everyone eats. But apart from the improving health by taking jackfruit, biryani, curry and many types of recipes are made with jackfruit. But now, this jackfruit is raining money and has become a source of employment for many people. That means they are making and marketing chips with jackfruit and earning income. Good demand is increasing in the market day by day. So, now jackfruit chips manufacturing business can be started at home with low investment and can be self-employed. Now let's know the complete details about this jackfruit chips manufacturing business. When it comes to the raw material and machinery details required for jackfruit chips making. First of all, you should buy good quality jackfruit that are available in the season, either from the farmers or from of the wholesale market. Deep fryer machine, refined oil, salt, spices, nitrogen gas cylinder, packing machine and packing covers are required. An investment of 50,000 rupees is sufficient for all these. When it comes to making chips, after collecting good quality jackfruits, clean them, remove the pods, remove the seeds and cut them into the slices. Fry them in oil and a deep fryer. Take out the fried chips. After drying, sprinkle salt and spices and mix them. Put the ready chips in the packing covers and fill with the nitrogen gas while packing. If you do this, the chips will last longer. Chips should be packed and sold in 250 grams, 500 grams and 1 kg packets. Now let's know the details of investment, income and expenses. When it comes to profit in this business, it will cost you approximately 250 rupees to make 1 kg of jackfruit chips. In the market, 1 kg chips cost approximately 450 rupees to 900 rupees. At the price of 450 per kg, you have sold 10 kg per day in starting. All the expenses together 2000 rupees per day. Per month 60,000 rupees can be earned as income. There will be a good demand if these jackfruit chips are made in various flavors. Depending on the climate, these jackfruits ripen at different times in each region. In some places they bloom from March to mid-June. In some places from April to mid-September and in other from June to mid-August. Regular consumption of jackfruit in some form has many health benefits. Increases immunity, protects against constipation, ulcer, diabetes, high blood pressure, skin problems. These jackfruit chips can be sold mostly in kirana shops, supermarkets, cool drink shops. It can be also sold on online websites like Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, JioMart. Deep fryer machine, nitrogen packing machine, cylinder required for this business are available on online e-commerce websites like Amazon, IndiaMart. Food license must be taken for this business. That's it friends. Details about jackfruit chips making business. Let us know in the comments how you feel about this business. Subscribe our channel for more such videos. Bye friends. Until we come back to you with another brand new video.